seeing the love these partners share will leave you amazed. Number 1. When a male penguin falls in love with another female penguin, she offers the most special stone from her territory as a gift. It's her way of showing affection and building a bond that keeps their love strong. But before you go, if this adorable cat made you smile, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to comment, I love cats as well. Number 2. Swans are known for their loyalty. If one partner dies, the other often stops eating and slowly gives up on life too. Among animals, swans also have one of the lowest divorce rates. Number 3. And finally, the sea otter. These little guys even sleep while holding their partner's hand so they don't drift apart. Tell me in the comments which one you liked the most.